Hey there, tech champions, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super valuable video for you, all about ending, closing, or completing a sprint in Jira. If you've been struggling with properly concluding your Jira sprints, or perhaps you're new to this function, you came to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to expertly close a sprint, making your agile project management smoother and more efficient. So let's get started. First off, you need to go to your Scrum board by navigating to the sidebar. Here, we're looking for the active sprint selection. Now remember, Jira is built around the concept of agile development. And sprints are integral to it. With sprints, you can break down your mammoth tasks into bite-sized chunks and accomplish them within your set time frame. Really powerful stuff. So once you're on the right page, go ahead and click on Active Sprints. Alright, the next step requires a bit of attention if you're someone who operates multiple sprints concurrently. You need to select the sprint that you're looking to wrap up. To pick the right sprint, you will find a drop-down menu containing all your active sprints, so choose your intended sprint from here. This granularity exists here because Jira wants you to control how and when you close your sprints. As a point to note, if you have multiple active sprints, your complete sprint button won't be visible unless a specific sprint is chosen. So far so good, wonderful. Now this is where the real action happens. You will need to click on the complete sprint button. Take a moment here and look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you will usually find the complete sprint button. Clicking on it signals to Jira that you're ready to wrap up the selected sprint. Remember, completing a sprint is a significant step that will change your project's dynamic. Make sure all your tasks are accounted for before you hit this button. Following this, you're on the home stretch, my friends. Finalize your sprint completion, confirm your choices. The moment you do this, something really satisfying happens. Your completed issues will move out of the active sprints. It's like clearing up the clutter off your work table. Now, doesn't that sound quite gratifying? Plus, with this part done, you've got ample time and headspace to focus on and plan your next sprint effectively. And there you have it, a simple yet necessary tutorial on how to close a sprint in Jira. The difference it makes to your project management is definitely significant, making your workflow more organized and your team more focused. Did you find this walkthrough helpful? If so, smash that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. This is your go-to space for questions and discussions, so don't be shy. Remember, we're all about making tech easier and more accessible to you, so hit that subscribe button for more of these valuable tutorials. Stay tech-savvy and own your projects like a pro, because there's always more to learn. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.